So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to assign a project on Myon. You'll need to do this for our ELA post-test, but it's also really handy to do for reading groups because it helps you track what your students are reading and if they finish the book. So you'll need to get to Clever and then go to Myon. Once you're in Myon, you'll go to Classroom and then Projects. Here you can create new projects of your own right here by clicking that button, but you can also search for projects that have already been made by clicking on this little cloud thing with an arrow. So if you click that, it takes you to our community, which is a really big community, but you can filter it by just typing in AAPS, and you can see all the different projects that have been created by AAPS teachers, and then you'll see a number which indicates the grade level. So third grade has done a lot with shared projects on Myon, you'll see. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that fifth grade, this was our pre-test. If you keep going, you'll see there's tons and tons. So here is the post-test. Just really quickly while we're here, this is the biography project that I created. It has all of those biographies that are offered to students as a part of our upcoming research writing unit are in this project, so you might want to grab this project while you're here. But the purpose of this video is to show you this one. So if you click on that, you'll see that it has the ELA post-test, read or listen to pages 4 to 16 of fossils. You can copy this to your project. And then just make sure the book is there by clicking on this gear. Let's just make sure, yep, it's listed, fossils. Okay, good. You'll want to save it. And then you're going to want to find it. So now I'm in my projects right now. It took me there automatically. You'll want to find it. It's going to be down here because we haven't assigned it to anybody yet, so it's considered inactive. So you'll want to edit it here and assign it to students. Sorry, I have to remember how to do that. Aha, click on the word assign. Okay, so you'll click on the word assign. You're going to want to click on rosters. My roster will bring up your entire class. You can select all, and then you're applying it. So now that's moved up here to my active projects because I have assigned it to students. So when my students log in to Myon and when they click on their project button, it will show them that they have been assigned this new project. None of them have started it yet because I haven't told them to do it yet. But for example, this AAPS Informational Research Writing Collection or project, 21 students have logged in and started reading biographies, and if I wanted more information on that, I could click on it and I could take a look at who has read what, who's finished how many biographies, etc. So it's a nice way to track reading. But once you've assigned this to your students, then they are all set for the post-test on Friday. Okay?